Yo, what's up family? In today's video, we are finally getting around to installing the MFER-1 fix for the active exhaust. We are doing the install video and review, so be sure to grab yourself a nice cold drink, crank the volume up on your iPhone, computer, whatever you are watching this video on, and enjoy guys, because it is going to be a really loud one. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome, exciting video for you guys. And we just hit 10K subscribers. I really can't thank each and every one of you enough. You guys are totally awesome. I know it has been a while since our last video. We have been super busy modding our car. It's got new headlights. Wheels, tires. I've been working on everybody else's car, wrapping their lights. So, you know, now that all that has kind of settled down, we are going to be installing the MFER-1 active exhaust fix on the Charger and doing a review as far as how I like the product, how it sounds, how it works, all of that fun stuff. So if you are new to this channel, do me a huge favor, smash that subscribe button. We do lots and lots of videos, installs, vlogs, reviews, unboxings, videos you are definitely not going to want to miss. Like I said, I've done lots and lots to the car. We have content for days, so be sure you are a subscriber so you don't miss all this future content we have. But like I said, we just hit 10K and we are going to be giving away a brand new kit of the MFER-1 active exhaust. So stay tuned for that video. Tell your buddies, share it, let them know. I believe we're gonna have some products from Lux Auto Concepts and a bunch of other cool stuff. So it's gonna be awesome, guys. But like I said, I have had the MFER-1 installed on the car for about a month or so, and it is totally absolutely awesome. It fixes any squeaking you may have. It makes the car louder at all RPMs. It is just a really great product, and it works. And like I said, so far I have not had any check engine light codes on my dash. Everything is working fine. The car is absolutely loud like a damn beast. Now, mind you, I do have lots of other mods besides the MFER-1. There is the MMX off-road pipes, the mid-muffler delete. I have the 87mm throttle body from MMX. So, you know, again, you pair all those up, mix them up in a pot, and you just get a really loud, angry car, guys, which is what we have today. So what we're gonna do is I'll do a cold start. We will do some pulls inside of the car. I will do some pulls outside of the car, you know, with the camera sitting on the side of the road, so you guys can hear, you know, the exhaust from dead stop to pretty much full throttle, guys. Pinned pedal to the metal, and it's awesome stuff. Of course, all of this was filmed right next door in Mexico, so I think the car sounds absolutely insane, from everything idle, you know, revving, hauling ass. I think the car sounds absolutely insane, and not only that, it runs 10 times better, guys, and all of this is without a tune, might I add. Now, if you were to get a tune, it would sound totally awesome. So let's go ahead and roll these clips for you guys, and you guys can see and hear what the MFER-1 is going to look and sound like when it is installed on your vehicle. Now, when I did the install on my charger, it was kind of getting dark. I did it on the ramps. I just reversed the car on the ramps. So you can do this at home in your garage, whether that be jack stands, on ramps. You can do it. When I did it, it was starting to get dark. So unfortunately, my video, the quality isn't something that I'm very proud of. Thankfully, Mike, the owner of MFER-1, has a install video on his YouTube channel. So what I will do, I will link the video to his install. I will then pull the video and show it to you here so you guys can see the install process, which is super easy. He has the exhaust off the car, well lit, totally awesome install video. So I will put that in there for you guys. And also my good buddy Mike from Work Play Drive has a MFER-1 kit on order, so he is going to be doing the same unboxing, install, review. And once that video is live, I will put a link to his video and channel as well. So again, let's go ahead and roll these clips, the install and the sound, and from there we will jump into the review as far as if I like it, what I thought about it, and all of that fun stuff, guys. So let's jump off into that now and turn those speakers up because it is about to get loud.
Okay, first thing we do is take out the power plug, which isn't in here right now because this is on my bench, actually hanging on the wall. Then remove the 3 nuts. Make sure the exhaust is cold. You can discard those nuts or save them. They won't be used with the kit. Take your motor off at the spring, set it aside. Take your MFER plate, set it on there, line it up through the 2 holes, make sure it's in the slot, push forward, all pushed up. Then tighten on your 8mm nuts. Good and tight. Drop a blue thread lacquer on each one beforehand is a good idea. You don't have to do it. Then install a lock washer on each one. Now install the standoff nuts. Tighten them up good and snug. You don't have to tighten the piss out of them. Now install the studs. Drop of blue Loctite on them. Any blue thread locker works. Tighten them in with the Allen wrench, 2.5 millimeter, all three of them. This one I can't get to because of the camera, but now put the flat washer on each one of them. Now the concave washer with the lines facing up towards the motor. Now take your motor, set it back in place. Take your nuts. Tighten each one down while holding pressure against it with one hand. Tighten with the other one. Again, snug them up good and tight, but you don't have to tighten them real super tight. And that's it. It's installed. Put the power back on. Repeat on the other side, and you're good to go. It's as easy as that. Thank you. Remember, all parts are stainless steel. If you have any questions, just contact me on the website, www.mfer-1.com. Thanks.
All right, guys, what did you think of the MFER-1 active exhaust kit for the 5.7 Daytona, the 392 Scat Pack, SRT, the SRT Hellcat? As long as your car has the Mopar active exhaust system, this will work, and it is going to lock the valves open and just give you that nice raw Hemi roar and tone 24/7, guys. Now, as far as the review, what do I think about the product? I think it is freaking awesome. I would buy another one if I could. It's really an awesome product. I cannot stress that enough. It is well built, it is well thought out. The install process is extremely simple and easy, and I mean, for 150 bucks, it is a really great kit. And like I said, it sounds awesome. Now you guys can be your own judges of how it sounds. Mind you, I have lots of other mods to go along with it. It is not just the MFER-1. The MFER-1 is basically the icing on the cake as far as locking those valves open and keeping my exhaust flowing freely and letting that Hemi breathe and roar. So again, super easy install, shipping is fast. The gentleman Mike is a really awesome guy. This is, you know, him and his wife, just a small operation. So you are supporting a small business and a pretty much lifetime muscle and Mopar guy. You know, he created this because he didn't like the active exhaust on his car, and he is now sharing this with all you guys. Some of the other kits out there don't use as quality parts. They're kind of finicky, and this one, I mean, I don't know what it's made out of, but it is heavy duty stuff. It's not gonna crack, break, fall apart, and as long as you install it properly with some light thread locker, you shouldn't have any issues. I don't know how many miles I have on it now, at least a couple hundred, and everything seems to be the way I left it after the install. The car's running absolutely insane. No check engine lights whatsoever, and my active exhaust is now open and no more butterfly valves in a sense. This will also help you if your active exhaust is kind of squeaking on the inside. It is now going to lock it open and prevent that from the valves from squeaking in there on the inside. It kind of pushes the actuators off to the side so they function as they normally would without, you know, turning the butterfly valve in there. So again, the MFER-1 is a really awesome kit for any Mopar active exhaust car. And like I said, we are going to be giving away this brand new kit right here, guys. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. We're gonna have an awesome giveaway for you guys as a huge thank you for helping us get to 10K subscribers. I'm truly thankful for each and every one of you that has liked, shared, subscribed. I really can't thank you enough. And this giveaway is just kind of a little thank you from me to you guys. And it's gonna be totally awesome, guys. I really cannot wait to get that video up. I know it has been a while. I have been super busy getting my car all ready, you know, for show season. I got some shows coming up, you know, keeping these sponsors happy. So again, stay tuned. I have some really awesome videos in store lined up for you guys. And again, be sure to check out the MFER-1 website, and I will put a link to the product so you can buy that for your car. You've seen the unboxing. I'll put a video box up here. You now have seen the install and review. Now, all you need to do is make that purchase and install it on your car. Now, when you are in the video description, be sure to check out all of our affiliate links. We have some awesome promo codes for you to save some money, from Blender's Eyewear being one of them, This is kind of like a carbon fiber style sunglasses. These aren't real carbon fiber, but they look cool and they have a style pretty much for everyone. Lux Auto Concepts is down there. Really awesome stuff, guys. So again, I really can't thank each and every one of you guys for everything you do for me and this channel. And as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.